Hello there, my friends. We're making the Chicago style deep dish pizza. So I made the dough already. I put the olive oil in the bottom. Okay, probably about half a cup, I'd say, for this cast iron pan. Press the dough. The dough's been resting for probably about 25-30 minutes right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some Parmigiana from there and just load up the bottom of the pan with Parmigiano. Mozzarella. I said Parmigiano. No. Mozzarella. Press the sides again, because this side is coming down from what I see, okay? Now we're gonna do the sausage that I have pre-cooked the sausage. It is Parmesan and what was it? Broccolini Parmesan sausage. So we're gonna stay as traditional as possible here, okay? And then we're gonna do that. And I think that's enough sausage for that pizza. There we go. Now I made a chunky tomato sauce. You can see it's still steaming, which is fine. Okay, so we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's go 8. There we go. So 8 right then and there, okay? And now I'll take the grater and I'm gonna grate some domestic Parmigiano just for the top. Okay, here we are. Beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead, open the oven. You see, I have the oven preheated to 425, and I have the stone already hot. So, and we're gonna time this for about 25 minutes. Okay, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. Awesome. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, pump. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out. It's been about 25 minutes. Look at this beauty. There she is. Chicago style. So what we're gonna do is let it rest now for a few minutes, and then we're gonna cut it up, and it's gorgeous. Let's see. Just yeah, look at this. Now we're gonna take it out of the pan and cut it and taste it. There she is. Leave it up here. And let me just put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. And there she is. One out. And you can just take a little, video. Now we're gonna slice a slice, okay? So I'm gonna go right there and just grab a nice slice like this. And there, Chicago style. Nice. Beautiful. Okay.